This guy is likely going to pull out in front of me. Look at that. Would you look at that? Let's just do a little lane change and a little swabberoo. People are... I just don't understand why they don't look behind them. I mean, you can literally predict the dumb people on the road. Anyways, we're going to fuel up, grab some food, and just have a chill day. Okay, another huge hack. We just picked up some walkie-talkies so we can talk to each other, you know, on the fly, not have to call each other, and instant, you know, we also don't have to worry about service. There's got to be something going on down the street. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Oh my God, what is with this guy?
Sexy.
Is that your lover?
Oh yeah.
Chilly today, 50 degrees. Woo-hoo. We got snow up on the mountain up there. Hopefully it's nice all the way up to the snow up there. Okay, he started slowing down out of nowhere and I was like, what are you doing? And then I see the top. He's putting the top down. There you go, complete. That is so funny. All right, now he's going. getting almost to the top of Mount Hamilton, and we are starting to see some snow. Oh yeah, these guys are all looking at the McLaren. It's so funny. Talk about snow. It's actually pretty decent up here in the shade. Wow. Not bad. Oh, that was a snowball that my lip just picked up. I might have to clean my car after today too. See how much stuff it picks up. That's so funny. I think that guy's filming the McLaren too. It's so funny. I like how people just stop on one side of the road. Like, it's literally a 2-lane road and everyone is just parked in the middle and has made this a 1-lane road. I mean, I've never been up here, so maybe this is kind of like the thing to do. There really is a good amount of snow here though. The other thing that everyone's been doing, like, look, they just put like snowmen on their car. I've seen like 4 cars driving down that just have like snowmen piled on their windshield or their roof. It's so weird. Finally got out of those parking spots on the side of the road. There were some people that were just going head on pretty much because whoever started parking on the side of the road made this double lane a 1 lane, and then there were 2 cars that were just, you know, going head to head, and they created a nice little line behind them, and we were just chilling there for like 30 minutes or so while people were sorting it out. No, you back up. No, you back up. So dumb. But we are out and heading back down from Mount Hamilton. Pretty cool place, very cold. And now there's another block. Alright, so we're stuck in the traffic stuff again because if you guys look way up ahead on the road, there's people on the left-hand side that are just basically parked literally in the road, making this a 1-lane road. So we've been sitting here again for like 10 minutes now while people are like, oh, there's more cars this way, so you guys should back up. And now we're finally moving, and hopefully we continue to move because this is so dumb. When we came up here, there was no one parked on... Jesus, this scraped so hard. There was nobody parked on this left side of the road when we came up here, and now look at it. Like, I don't know whose idea it is to stop in the middle of the road. Like, you can see the double yellow right there. It's so stupid. Don't understand. Thank God one of the guys further back is making some cars move because there's a space on the right hand side, but I can't, I would have to off-road onto the snow and my lip is just gonna pick all of it up and I cannot make it over that. We're literally just in a standoff. First time taking the M3 to the snow is not how I expected it to be, but very interesting, needless to say. Thank you, appreciate it.
No way you would have made the snow.
No way, thank you. Yeah, so he saw me just literally sitting there like a sitting duck. So. Oh, getting a little spinny. Okay. I was at like 3,000 RPM, so. Yeah, it is very slippery, needless to say. Look at all the snow. always nice when you're just cruising and then other cars just kind of randomly join. Man, I love the fenders on this car. It's so nice.